Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video is presented by Amazon. DeLonghi DEM10 Compact Dehumidifier. The DEM10 from DeLonghi is a highly efficient compact dehumidifier that can extract 10 liters, or 18 pints, of water from your environment every 24 hours. Great for removing moisture from air, the DEM10 is also ideal for drying clothes. More than 392 people in the UK gave it 5 stars. And it became a best-selling item at Amazon. Click the blue link in the description to get the best price on Amazon.